Hey guys, welcome back to Self-Sufficient Mama. I wanted to share with you guys some books that I have been recently using for foraging on my Facebook page, Edible Info. And I would like to do a giveaway so you can choose from one of these 5 books. All of these are very good. This one is specific to Texas. But all the rest are pretty much anywhere, and some of Texas edible plants you could find anywhere in the world also. They are all in color. Some of them have recipes. Some of them don't, but they do tell all of their uses and if you can cook them or use them as a tea. So what I need you guys to do is like this video, make sure you are subscribed, and in 2 weeks I will do a drawing from the comments below. I would like you guys to let me know which book you guys would want for the drawing. So we got the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, the Lost Book of Remedies, which is an older version of this one. This one's an updated one. Wild Edible Plants of Texas, Wild Edible Plants, and Idiot's Guide to Foraging. So let me know which one you guys would like to receive in the comments below. And I will do the drawing in 2 weeks, and whoever wins will get the book of their choice, and I will send it to you guys. I will see you guys on my next video. I am making some foraging videos, and thank you guys for watching.